TVP can be an exhausting course, especially now that we actually need to use some creativity. So if you're ever looking for an easy 12, just pick production. The only condition to get actual high grades is to get as many angles as possible. And remember, once you've used every single angle as many times as you possibly could, just get random close-ups. It's not like that actually matters. And if you ever worry about the green screen, worst comes to worst, just put something random in the background and hope it works. Because no one actually pays attention to anything but the actual host. If production is in your style, there's always tech. The only skill required for tech is panning shots and random close-ups. You'll also need lots, and I mean lots, of keyboard sounds. And for voiceovers, just say a bunch of numbers.
13-inch edition. Weighs 3 pounds, 0.7 inches, 1440 by 900 pixels. An Intel Core i5 535 OU. 8 gigabytes of RAM. 120 gigabytes total.
Haven't reached 2 minutes yet? Don't worry, you can always just sprinkle in a few over-the-shoulder shots. Put whatever you want on the screen, it's alright. People will be too amazed by your epic camera work to even notice what's on the screen anyways. And boom, using the art of bullcrapping, you successfully filmed a tech video.
If all the other topics are filled and you end up getting stuck with the how-to video, don't sweat it. Just go through these 6 simple steps. Step 1. Brainstorm ideas. Step 2. Realize you have no creative ideas whatsoever. Step 3. Cry. Step 4. Contemplate whether you should drop the class or not. Step 5. Realize it's too late. Step 6. Come up with a meta idea that will allow you to include all the shots you need without leaving the comfort of the classroom. Oh, and don't forget the outro. My name is Lena Hassan, along with my partner Anaket, reporting for ACS Today. And there you have it. If all goes to plan, your final TVP video should look something like this.